If you've ever found yourself in a situation where your sheets are just way too big for your bed, you often find this stuff happening, right? Or even worse, the entire side of the sheet is just falling off, you know, all the way down here in the middle of the night. Well, I used to have that problem too, until I found this really cool and easy hack that's gonna solve this problem forever for you. And I've used this over multiple years, and I've picked up a couple of things you need to know before you do this. So essentially what we're going to do is that we're going to use this little thing called safety pins to secure the fitted sheet to our mattress. So even if it is too big, this is not gonna, it's not gonna like slide out and destroy everything. Let's jump into how to actually do this safely. Alright, so welcome to the corner here of my 140 mattress with a 150 sheet on it. So there is one thing I want to say before we do this. That is that the safety pins are sharp, right? So if you really worry about this, you could use some kind of Velcro. You could sew on some Velcro, or you could use elastic bands sewed on like straight over the underside instead of the safety pins. But safety pins are definitely the quickest and easiest way to do it. I have stabbed myself exactly one time doing this over the last maybe 5 years or so. So there is the risk of it, just so you're aware of it. But what we're going to do is that we're going to lift up the mattress and we're actually going to fasten it underneath. So you want to grab a little piece there. Don't grab too much, because then the needle is just going to pop open. Maybe half the safety pin should do fine. And we're going to do this on all four corners. And if you really want it to be secured, you can do it on the sides, like not only up in the corners, but like down at each of the sides in the middle as well. However, there is one thing you need to know, and that is, hello, and that is that actually if you straighten out the bed sheet too much before you fasten them, and you use the bed sheet over a longer period of time, the bed sheet is actually gonna rip. So when you do this, leave a little bit of slack. And if you just leave a little bit of slack, you will see that you will have a really nice and comfortable sheet that's not gonna like rip off to the side in the middle of the night, and it's never gonna bother you again, really. So if you like this type of video, you can subscribe, because I have a bunch more of like folding and organizing stuff, especially for the bedroom. I'm doing this whole video series and course on it right now that you can check out here if you want. So yeah. I hope this helps.